I want to go back to pagka-eksena mo siya, tinititigan mo siya, you look at his lips, at lumilipad ang iyong isipan. Saan? Anong iniisip mo?
Tito Boy, para bang iniisip ko, it could have been me.
Oh!
Di ba, Tito Boy, joke na wala ang voice?
No, but I understand.
No, but di ba,
Oo.
pagbigyan nyo na ako, syempre,
Siyempre
ganun talaga
naman.
yung mga, yung mga
Oo.
fan.
Right.
Talagang,
Oo.
if any, talagang ako'y tagahanga ni Gabby.
Alam mo kung bakit importante? Because there's a certain kind of chemistry. Hindi lang kind of chemistry, but chemistry kasi is not invented.
That's true.
You either have it or you don't.
Exactly.
At kayo, mababang mga bata pa kayo, hanggang ngayon, nariyan pa rin. Look at you.
Tingnan mo to,
Look at
Tito.
you, di ba? Wow.
Ay, nako.
And look at the eyes. Pareho kayo. Look at the lips of Gabby Concepcion, di ba?
Mga mistis at
Ano yung pagkasabi mo
mistizo.
kanina? It could have been?
It could have been me.
Paano nga ang nangyari noon? Bakit napunta si Gabby?
Delusional, eh, no?
No, it's not. Si Gabby napunta kay Shawi, and then si Albert,
Napunta naman sa akin
how
at one
did it
point.
happen?
Ay, naku, Tito Boy, as fate would have it. Ano naman talaga, si Gabby, well, si Albert kasi, I think was the first boyfriend of Shawi.
Okay.
Ngayon, I don't know kung ano nangyari sa kanilang dalawa, parang they were supposed to do yung first movie ni Sharon. Unang-unang pelikula.
Dear Heart.
Dear
Yes.
Heart.
Oo.
Hi, Shawi. Hindi natuloy si Albert because of something. Si Gabby ang pinahiram ni Mother kay Sharon. And the rest is history. Tito Boy, nagka-developan ata sila on the set of Dear Heart.
Samantala ikaw,
Ako naman, napunta naman ako kay Albert at na-develop naman ako kay Albert at medyo na-develop din naman sa akin si Albert.
okay. Pero si Gabby hindi nanligaw?
No, never, Tito
Hindi ka
Boy.
na in love?
No. Ako?
Oo, ikaw?
Tito Boy, naku naman, na-infatuate talaga ako, Tito Boy.
Ikaw. Pero hindi ka nagparamdam?
Sincere yan ha, nakakaya
I know.
sinasabi to, pero totoo.
I'm looking at your eyes. I'm looking at your eyes. I know you're telling
This
the
is not
truth.
showbiz talk ha.
Yeah.
Pagpaprofess na ito ng pagmamahal kay Gabby, kaya-hiya, pero...
So, na-infatuate ka, na-in love ka as a young girl.
Yes, because di ba, Tito Boy, pag bata ka, you have crushes.
Right.
Ang talagang super crush ko si Gabs.
How far did you go? Did you let him know?
No naman, no.
No.
Yung mga panahon na yun, parang conservative tayo dito. Pero ngayon na para bang nagkakaedad na, para bang, oh, it's now or never, you know. Joke! Oy, hi, Gabby.
I mean, let's talk about love teams. Komportable ka doon sa konsepto. Sa iyong palagay, nakakatulong ang love teams sa mga karera ninyo noon.
Tito Boy, I will admit that nakatulong ng gusto. Especially with my career, talaga in my career, nakatulong talaga yan. But I'm not too for it. I'm not against it, but
Why?
I'm not
Why are you
really
not
excited about
so
it.
for it?
Kasi Tito Boy, parang nawawala agad yung identity mo as an actor. Nasa stifle ka agad, nagiging part ka agad ng love team. And more importantly, yung on the personal side, batang-bata pa lang kayo, nade-develop na yung mali siya sa isa't isa, Tito Boy.
Okay.
That's the danger there eh.
Pero ngayon, sa nakikita mo, in today's generation, palagay mo relevant pa rin ang love teams?
I think so, Tito
Parang,
Boy.
no?
Kasi nakikita ko kina Donnie, kina Belle, tapos kina Ruru, kay Bianca.
Right. It's still there.
Yes, it's still
Hinahanap
there.
pa rin talaga.
Hinahanap.